All right, so you got the USB drive, go to search, type in system information, click on it, and now you want to double check your system model and your BIOS version and date. As you can see, I'm using the B450M and my BIOS version is on F30. Head over to any web browser and type in your BIOS name. Now, once you're in the website, you want to go to support and then you want to head over to CPU support. Now we're going to see which CPU requires which BIOS. And for me, I'm upgrading my CPU to AMD Ryzen 7 5800 XT, which requires BIOS F60. Now you can go to downloads and click on BIOS. Once you're on this screen, you want to look for the BIOS update that you need. For me, I'll need BIOS update F60, but before we download that, we want to make sure there's not any other one that has a note in red. But for me, I needed BIOS F32, F40, and F60. I already downloaded them, so they're not highlighted in red. And once you're done with your downloads, you want to head over to File Explorer. Now, once you're here, you want to have a USB drive that's formatted to FAT32. Which means your USB drive needs to be 32 gigabytes or below. Now that it's formatted to FAT32, you want to hit start, make sure that all your data is backed up, and hit OK. Now, once you've done that, you want to extract each one. And in order to do that, you right click your download, hit extract all. Then you want to hit browse and locate where you have your USB driver. Select your drive, hit select folder, and then extract. Once you extracted them, it'll look like the screen that I just was on. Mine didn't give me an option to extract them, so I had to copy and paste them. Because if there is a will, there is a way, and I'm gonna make a way. Make sure when you're done extracting or copying and pasting, it looks like this. It should be your BIOS name and then dot and then the BIOS version. Once you do that, you want to restart your PC, and as it's restarting, you want to spam delete to enter BIOS. After that, you want to go to QFlash, update BIOS, and then you want to make sure you're choosing the correct BIOS name. Select the BIOS and then proceed to start. Once you're done with this, if you have more BIOS updates, make sure you follow these next steps. Safely eject USB drive, unplug the USB drive, plug USB drive back into a rear port, reboot PC, spam delete or F2 and enter BIOS, and repeat the process over again. Once you're done with that, you can go back into your system information or your BIOS to double check your BIOS version. As you can see, I updated my BIOS to F60. And after, you could delete your BIOS files or keep them for future use in case you ever need to reflash or help someone else. First time doing it, we're ready for a CPU swap.